Well, Floriade Reimagined is not in its traditional home at Commonwealth Park this year. We've taken it out around Canberra, working with the local community along with our horticulture team, and we've been able to take it out around Canberra to over around 130 sites, which is really, really exciting. We've been working with a whole group of community groups, around 90 of them, who have helped us plant all of the garden beds around Canberra that you'll be able to explore with our Tulip Trail Map on the Floriade Australia website. So if you download that, that's got a whole list of all of the sites that you'll be able to have a look at around Canberra. In addition to that, we're really excited because this year we've built upon the Gnome Hunt that we've been doing for the last couple of years at Commonwealth Park, and we actually have a whole citywide Gnome Hunt that is taking place all around Canberra. We've got 3 different versions of the Gnome Hunt. We've got an easy, a medium and a hard version, so you'll be able to have a go and see. I reckon start with the hard version because that's going to be the most fun and a best way, I think, to be able to discover the sites that we've got around Canberra, which is really exciting. Instead of having all of the amazing entertainment that we've taken that online, so you're still able to experience that. We've got a suite of workshops from yoga and Pilates to fitness at home. So if you're working from home, you'll be able to do some Floriade fitness with us, which is great. We've also got companion planting, composting and worm farming, and a whole lot of different activities from horticulture all the way through to nature art journaling. So they're available on demand from the 12th of September, which is really great. For the kids, we can't forget our favourite little people, our Floriade Sprouts. So Floriade Sprouts this year, we've created a special video series just for our Sprout friends. We've been working with the Beanies, who are originally from Canberra. And the Beanies have been able to come up and work with us to create a special Floriade Sprouts with the Beanie Show. And it's for everyone to engage with. We've got episodes including bees, art, gnomes and planting, which is really great. And it features all the little elements of Floriade that are going to come together and create a whole experience for kids to participate in. What it also does is takes everybody through our Floriade Sprouts activities. So they're going to be able to create a bee hotel. You'll be able to do some painting. We've got all the colouring in workshops there. We also have a very exciting activity called Gnome at Home this year. So it's a 3D gnome that we've worked with some of our artists on, and they've created this amazing 3D gnome that you're going to be able to put together yourself. Maybe put it in your window and see if you can spy it. So that's really exciting. Also this year we've got a very limited number of live events that we've been able to create due to the restrictions around COVID. We wanted to make sure we had some COVID safe events and still some ways for people to engage with our talent and with the audience.
Yeah, so Cockney and Green has been in spring in Canberra for 40 years this year, 41 actually this year. And over those years we've obviously been involved with Floriade for many, many years, the whole of the time that Floriade's been running. So the 1st of September for me and our business is the day when we really start to look forward to moving into busier times. Working with Floriade this year is wonderful. We've actually got the opportunity to work with Floriade really closely and get involved in events and all kinds of things with them this year, which has really been wonderful. Quite a humbling experience working with the team.
We've also got our photography workshops. And that's an opportunity to go to either Cockington Green or to Lanyon Homestead. So we've tried to cover both north and south. So you're able to go to one of those sites and you'll be able to do your photography workshop. Really limited numbers and spaces are booking out really quick. So definitely get online to experience that. They're normally really popular at Floriade during the event, and what we've wanted to do this year is make sure that people can experience that. They can learn how to take those beautiful flower photos that we all love so much, and Jeff and Ben, who lead those with us, are taking those classes. So we've got our Floriade Let's Talk program with Dan Borsha. That is actually going, we've got 5 episodes including people such as Adam Shipp. We've got Anthea Cheng, who's creating some beautiful plant-based desserts. We've also got the amazing Paul West coming down, so that's going to be really exciting. We've also got our Floriade Book Club component that's happening as well. That features Dan Borsha, and he's in conversation with Lish from the ABC radio. We've also got Lauren Dubois and an amazing suite of other female Canberrans who are on that panel together, conversing about their favourite books that might have a link to flowers, plants, or something special about Floriade. So we're really excited about that.
Floriade Reimagined 2020. We start off on the weekend. It's been an amazing experience this year. So one of the things about this year is that you'll be able to go to your local shops, get your coffee, walk around the corner, and you're going to come across some bulbs or some annuals, some beautiful tulips or poppies. So Coolman Court's fantastic. At the back of there in Trinity Square, there's a furniture that's orange and yellow, and we've matched the flowers to that. You can go down to Canberra and look at the sheep. They're grazing the pansies there. You can go down and have a look, drive past the Belconnen Owl. Can go across from the Belconnen Mall to Margaret Timson Park and have a look at our beautiful pyramids, which have got the English daisies that everyone loves, the red and the pink and the white and the mixed ones. They're going to look fabulous this year.
And then rounding out our live series, we actually have our Sunday sessions, and that again is at Lanyon Homestead and Cockington Green. And you'll be able to come, Andrew and his team will be here, you'll be able to do a potting up workshop. You'll also be able to work with Rotary. Rotary have a very small number of gnomes, but they've been able to get their hands on. So you'll be able to do painting of the gnome, which is a very traditional Floriade activity. So we certainly couldn't forget the painting of the Rotary gnomes. So that is available at our Sunday sessions. It's also available at the Canberra Centre and various other sites around Canberra throughout the whole 30 days of the festival.